So I just woke up a few minutes ago and I realized that I feel a little bit drier than usual. And yes, you might say, Vicky, are you sick? Yes, I have a flu. By the grace of God, it's not Miss Corona. But anyway, I woke up feeling a little bit drier than usual, and it hit me that we're going into winter. And I don't have any more. I've literally just run out of my body cream, my infamous body cream. So today I will be making the body cream. Kind of showing you guys the process as to how I make it, how I whip it up real good. Also, if you don't know who I am, I'm Victoria, and welcome to Toro Energy. It is owned by two people, Tori, which is me, and Ro, which is Roxy. So yeah, today we'll be making body cream. So let's go.
All right. So most of these ingredients that I got are from Hambelela Organics. You can find them on Instagram. And what you see me doing there is just putting like a big tablespoon, of mango butter. And I put cocoa butter. So my my four ingredients is mango butter, cocoa butter, which you see there. You're going to see vitamin E serum, grapeseed, which is right over there, and vanilla. So I'm just putting I'm using my eye to measure. That's my vitamin E oil. I'm using my eye to measure kind of the consistency that I like. So there is no correct dosage. So I'm kind of just using my eyes to measure how much I would like in there, and I'm going ham on the vanilla oil down. So that's how it looks like before you melt it up. And there we go, looking all good and combined, and it smells phenomenal, yo. So I put it in the fridge for about, I think, 5 minutes, and this is how it came out. Still kind of warm, but yeah, I just wanted to whisk it up. And then I put it in the freezer this time for 10 minutes, just so it could solidify a bit. And once you get it out for the second time, this is how it comes out, and you just kind of fluff it out. So you whisk it vigorously, like really hard, for quite some time until it becomes fluffy. So this is the container that I was using before, and I'm just reusing, and you can see how fluffy it looks. Oh, it looks so great, and it feels great. So yeah, that's how it looks like. So I'm going ham. Yo. Oh, wow, Vicky. Wow, it's great. So this is just how I put a lot. Oh, wait, guys, what I wanted to say is that a little goes a long way. Like, this tub is probably going to last me for like 3 months. And I was just kind of doing like a test to see if it's smooth and, if I like the consistency. And look at this melanin glow. Yes. So that's low-key how I do my infamous body cream. And obviously you don't have to do it the way I did. So comment down below what ingredients you think you would include. And I honestly hope you're being safe, staying indoors, and practicing social distancing. So that's it on Toro Energy. Till next time, guys.